Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you easy step-in-step makeup guide for beginners. Let's get into it. First things first, let's get our skin prepared. First step is cleansing your face. Today I used Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser, which is very good for dry skin. That works for me. And whatever face wash that you are using, whatever gentle cleansers you are using, just go with that first. And then the second step goes to moisturizer. This is my all-time favorite moisturizer, which is from Emeralsis. This also works as a primer. So when I use this, I can cut one more step, that is primer step. I will not say it's a budget friendly, but it's a very good purchase. Now I'm going with the lip balm, minimalist lip balm, which is also having SPF 30. Work like a magic for me. This contains that hyaluronic acid and ceramides. This is just amazing. Next step is concealing. For me, if you are having a flawless skin and if your skin doesn't need any kind of concealing, just go straight up with a foundation. I always use a 2-shade darker concealer for my under eyes. As a beginner, this is a very amazing concealer. Maybelline Instant Age Rewinder Eraser. I'm using in the shade Caramel. I would like to take on the back of my hand a little bit because I don't want to use too much product. Here again I'm taking a very precise brush, the tight brush, taking it and applying. Now I'm taking beauty blender and I'm just blending. If you apply concealer around your mouth, just blend it there itself. Here I'm using Maybelline Yumi Matte Foundation, Super Stay One. As a beginner, this is just amazing. Just take a little bit of foundation. As a beginner, you can use your fingers. Now start blending with your beauty blender, which is damp sponge. Dragging will never help you. Stamping motion, yes. If you're tired, give a break a little bit, just 5. When you're doing makeup, be patient. Just enjoy what you're doing and you will do it right. e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Olive as my highlighting concealer. One shade fairer than your skin tone. So this is how you highlight your high points. You can take the beauty blender. When I'm blending my concealer under eye, I'm just looking up and blending it down. Our next step is blush. Today I'm using e.l.f. Luminous Blush in the shade Barbados. Let's take your finger again, take the product, apply it. I'm blending it now with the foundation brush. A compact powder, which is from Maybelline Fit Me Again in the shade 310. That tube for Charlotte Tilbury compact powder. And now I'm locking up all my cream products. Today I want to keep my eye look very simple. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty Matte Cool Obsessions, my favorite eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. All over your crease, just go with the brown. Look at my eyes, which is very simple. Here I'm using Lakme Absolute Shine. As a beginner, this is just wonderful. Simple liner. Just take your concealer with this precise brush, a little bit, and here just put under your. The next step is kajal. Today I feel like using some brown kajal. And I'm going to share you the tip how to stop your kajal bleeding. If you're going with a brown, just go with a brown eyeshadow, eyebrow brush. You take the color, just put it on the kajal. Like you're locking your makeup with a compact powder so that your makeup doesn't move. Right? Same thing, you have to lock your cream kajal with a powder. So simple science so that your kajal doesn't move, doesn't smudge, doesn't bleed. And most important step of the eye makeup is mascara. Okay. Here is the D'Alba First Spray Serum. This is my all-time favorite. The beauty blender. I'm just spraying, picking up everything. Can you see my skin glowing? Now we are moving on to the lips. So it is very important for you to remove your lip balm so that your lipstick will be long lasting. With your lip balm, your lipstick cannot be long lasting. Now for the lips, I'm using Shopperell Beat Bold Lip Liner in the shade Coral. I'm using Lip Plumping Gloss from Elle in the shade Praline. Brown skin girls, you have to hurry up. A must-buy shade in your vanity. So here I'm using Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. You can see the shine. Now that one last step, that is your makeup fixer. As a beginner, here I'm using Milani Make It Last. Very gentle on your skin, okay?